can I help you?
Hmm?
Are you a Gandhi?
Hmm?
Is your mother a Rundi?
Hmm?
Are you a Ben Chode?
Hmm?
Are you a Modern Chode?
Hmm?
Are you a Chatia?
Hmm?
Are you in Kolkata Sector 5, India?
Mm-mm. No.
Do you work in a Genesis building in Kolkata Sector 5, India?
No.
Do you work in Rawalpindi, Pakistan?
No. I hate Indian or Pakistani people. Indian are fucking assholes.
You don't
I'm
like
from
Pakistan?
Afghanistan. No, I'm from Afghanistan.
Oh, you're from Afghanistan. So, how can I help you? Is this about Medicare or final expense?
No, it's about your, terrorism.
It's about terrorism?
Yeah, I'm gonna blow your house.
Oh, you're going to blow up my house?
Yeah, I know you. Where are you located?
Oh, well, I'm in Dearborn, Michigan. So, yeah, it'll be very interesting to see the house get blown up.
Yeah, I know that. It's 2206 Kingsburg Avenue.
That's right. You're welcome to come here and give it a try.
No, I'm gonna blast on airplane. I have F-14.
Okay, what are you going to use? A surface-to-air missile, a bazooka, a drone from the sky? How do you plan to blow up my house?
My drone from sky sounds good. Third one is good.
Okay, well, I look forward to you giving it a try.
So, Joseph.
Yep, that's me. Go ahead, give it a try.
Okay, so I need to dash.
Hello? Hello? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.